Okay, today we're going to take all of the vocals, lead and background vocals from chorus 1, and we're going to fly it into chorus 2 so we don't have to re-sing all that stuff again. Sure, it saves a lot of time. Here we go. Here's some tips and some edit tricks. Okay, first thing we got to do is we take this AZ button and we press and we turn it, we highlight it, we turn it yellow. Basically turns the keyboard into a focus keyboard that Pro Tools has all these little shortcuts programmed in. All right, we got that done. Now let's go to this button here. I had it on, I'll turn it off and turn it back on. That's tab to transients. Tab to transients. Basically that just allows me to put a cursor somewhere on this click track and tab it to the next click hit at some point in the song. So with the focus keyboard button on, the R, pressing the R zooms out the screen and the T zooms in. So I need to zoom in to see these click tracks, and so I can set my start time on the first chorus where I'm going to capture my audio. Here we go. So I think I had set a kind of a area with that one, and it's pretty much this click hit that is letter A of that chorus. So I'm going to put my cursor ahead of it, tab it, and I'm going to hit another location, and now that's letter A of the first chorus. All right, there you go. Yeah, something going on with the audio there. Okay, so let's clean up this a little bit. Now, let's take a look. I'm going to zoom out, and I'm going to take a look at the whole chorus so I can see all the vocals I want to capture. So there's the lead vocal. This track right here is the lead vocal, and I want to keep that and put it in sync. I'm going to keep it in sync and use that plus all the backgrounds to go to the chorus, just because it sounds good, and I don't want to mess around. I don't know what I did on the second chorus. But anyway, so I'm going to highlight everything in that lead track ahead and where I want to capture. And then I'm going to start highlighting all the background vocals, which is, there's 6 tracks that Claire sang on this song. Now you see I have everything highlighted. I'm going to take Option Command G, and that's going to group all those clips together so I can move it in one piece. Here we go. Option Command G, boom, there you go. So there it is. Now, we can't just take that and stick it because we don't know where to put it. We won't know the start point. But if we highlight all of these tracks, which are now a group, so they're going to all highlight together, there's my cursor flashing, but it's in the wrong spot. But remember, I marked it with that tab to transit. So now I'm going to click, and now the cursor's in the exact spot of letter A of the chorus, and I'm going to split that group now by hitting the B button, and now everything to the right is what I'm going to paste, and then I'll be able to skin back the left side at the new spot. Here we go, and Command C captures it, puts it in the clipboard, copies it, puts it in the clipboard. Now we're going to go to chorus 2, which is right here. All right, and 13. I've already set my my cursor location point where I want to paste, because I didn't want to take the time to do it because I already showed you how to do that tab to transient. So now I'm going to make sure I highlight all of the tracks that I need, and then I'm going to hit that locate button, and it's going to put it in the spot where I need to paste. Alrighty, here we go. So now everything's highlighted, lead vocal and all the background. I'm going to hit that locate button. Yeah, that's letter A. When you hit the V, remember the shortcut that Pro Tools, you don't have to do, you can just hit the V and it'll paste it. Boom, there's that vocal, pasted it. I'm going to skin it back to capture the beginning pickup notes from the, let's hear it. Perfectly in sync with the music now. So I took everything from chorus 1, vocals, and I put it in chorus B, and it's in sync. Now listen to chorus 1. Same thing. It was already there. Perfectly done. I can't do it on the third chorus because it's a modulated chorus, so we had to re-sing all of that in a different key. So, but usually the songs don't have a modulation, so we can keep pasting. And sometimes they tag it with half the chorus. We can even paste it there. But if the kind of melody changes a little bit, then you have to re-sing it.